Today we are going to learn about another JSTL core tag, the conditional tag, right? So inside that, inside the conditional tag, first we will learn about the if, like the loop tag, that is the if tag in JSTL core library. Okay, so for that, what I'll do, I will create one more class, like one more JSP file, that is C if. Okay, so this condition, so okay, let me got all these things and will work when just colon. This is if tag. Okay, so this if tag and the JSP JSTL if tag, JSTL core library, the if tag will work like in Java we have if statement, right? If the condition holds true, then execute the following set of statement, right? So like if it is true, if it is true, then what we are writing? We are writing execute all this statement. Okay, what is there in the body, then execute so and so statement. Okay, and this statement execute. Okay, this is the statement we are generally writing as part of Java code. But here, that how we can write. Okay, so for that, what we are going to write? C colon if we have already like added the tag lib URI the core library. Okay, only C colon if. So here the attribute in the if tag, JSTL core if tag, is test. Test means what is the condition. So we are writing if condition, if true or if false. Okay, so here what is the condition? Test. Inside that, what we have to pass? We have to pass the condition. Okay, the condition. What condition? Let me take here. We want to like test if this number, if this number for example, if this number 10 modulus 2 is equals to 0. If this express, after evaluating this expression, if expression, it will give either true or false. If 10 modulus 2, either modulus 2 equals to 0, either it will give true or false. Okay, once that is true or false, what I am going to do, I can declare one variable. I can declare one variable, and variable is nothing but is even, is even. Okay, this is the variable I have taken. And there is something like called scope. If I take the scope, if I take the scope, for example, the by default the scope is the page scope. Okay, if I consider the this one, scope is session, then whatever the variable we have declared is even, that will be whatever the value variable, and the value that will capture from the condition, whatever the condition like true or false, it will be assigned to the variable is even. Okay, so that will be carry forward to the session attribute, session scope, right? By default this is available to the page. Okay, so what we can do, we can close this if tag. Okay, if tag, and inside the if tag, what we can write, we can write the statement body whatever we want. For example, the number is even. Okay, this is what we want to test. For once that is executed, this number we want to print. So for that, what we will write? C colon out. We have already studied out tag, right, in the JSTL core library to print something. Okay, so value is equals to, here we'll use the dollar, and whatever the variable, the value is stored in the variable is even. So what I'll do, I will take that is even, and whatever the value that is there, I just wanted to print the number is even. If it is even, it will return the true, or if it is not return the condition, then it will return false. Okay, this is the things I just wanted to cover. Okay, C you open, C close, and C out open, C out close. This is the things we have to see. Okay, let me run the deploy the application. Okay, then we'll see. C underscore if dot JSP. This is the file name that we have to execute. Okay, So let me take this one, and as usual I'll go to this one and slash c underscore if dot JSP, right? So if I run, then you can see the JSTL core C if tag and the number is even true. Number is even true. So this is the things we can do. And to here this value is hard coded, right? So what we can do? We can set C set and the variable variable is equals to number. Okay, variable is equals to number, and for that value is equals to for example 10. What I have done here is like what I have done, I just wanted to take the value, whatever the value it will come, that I have taken. So let me take you the set variable number value equals to 10, and then I'll close this one, and this is the number. Instead of 10, what I can do, I can take number modulus 2 equals to 0. If that is the case, then this will be even. Okay, let this will be even. Okay, let me try to run this. Okay, so JSTL core tag and number is even true. So this way also we can work, right? So what we can do, we can set the number value, and that number also we can do. This is another way I am showing, not required. The intention here is like only we have to see the if statement. Okay, the if tag we want to test. Okay, so I hope this is clear for the if tag in the JSTL core library. Okay, for the conditional checks, right? So that's all for this video. We'll meet in the next video with a new topic. Okay.